John the Diesel Man back here at Nydiesels.com. What we're showing you in this video is transmission work that was done improperly, resulting in needing to torch off a bearing because it is literally seized onto the shaft. That's supposed to be a slip fit bearing. This whole entire transmission was assembled with red Loctite, and we've seen a lot of problems over the years. My guys are the best. This is what we do. 40 years experience doing only manual transmissions, and my other guy is 35 years experience doing automatic transmissions. Anything from light duty to heavy duty, we can do it. I just wanted to show you this video because before you guys go out there and buy a transmission or have a transmission rebuilt by somebody else or buy a truck that has a manual transmission, just know that you could have a lot of problems. There's a difference between understanding how something works and being able to do that work. Big difference, okay? So if you need your transmission done and you want it done right, you come to us. My number is 607-423-7729 or email john@nydiesels.com. This is an NV4500. We do the NV5600s. We do the big transmissions and the big trucks. We can rebuild your transmissions and rear ends, front ends, anything driveline. That's what we do. This is an absolute nightmare. It's an absolute shame that somebody didn't know what they were doing. You do not want this problem. You do not want this situation. You do not want to be going down the road and your truck just breaks, seizes up, doesn't work, whatever. So contact us today. Man, look at that poor bearing. Keep your turbo spooling, guys.